AeroDelft is a non-profit student team born 3 years ago. Our team consists of 44 students with different nationalities and studies. We're connecting ideas, visions, and working towards a more sustainable future. Project Phoenix is our main project, aiming at creating the world's first liquid hydrogen aircraft and proving that emission-free aviation is possible. This year, we're working on both a prototype, a 1:3 scaled E-Genius plane, and a full-scale Sling 4, which we're both building to fly on liquid hydrogen eventually. The team is composed of an engineering and an operations department. Our structural engineers work on the fuselage and landing gear of our planes. Next to that, our structural engineers work on all the things that have to do with the structural elements of the Phoenix aircraft, such as the motor mounts, wings, firewalls, etc. Propulsion in AeroDelft means being responsible for designing and integrating various components needed in the propulsion systems, from the hydrogen tank to the fuel cell and everything in between. As an engineer in the electronics and control department, you focus on control systems design, including fuel tank control systems, fuel cell control systems, fuel cell-based hybrid power control systems, and more. The operations department consists of partnerships, events, exposure, and graphics. Members of the partnerships department are responsible for setting up and maintaining valuable connections with our current and future partners. AeroDelft and its partners are committed to improving the world we live in, understanding the consequences of climate change, and taking responsibility to lead the way. Our events department sets up events to promote our project, but also makes sure we attend events as a team. Our own events involve our partners in our projects, through which they can expand their network. These events also give us the opportunity to showcase our progress and inspire the big aviation companies. Graphics creates and visualizes ideas and concepts for different media. This method helps communicate our ideas as well as inspire, inform, and captivate consumers and partners. Exposure works on the social media of AeroDelft. Exposure is in charge of contacting the press to get us more media attention and work on internal and external communications. Our safety manager ensures that the whole team is able to operate safely. This means that he's involved in the production and testing for each of the engineering departments, but also in the safety of our production facilities and our offices. The recent developments of the COVID-19 pandemic have not only slowed down the work, but they have also posed a challenge for the interactions within our team. Nonetheless, AeroDelft is a team of intrinsically motivated students working towards one goal: sustainable aviation. We have overcome most of the challenges that COVID-19 has thrown our way, and we're working full speed ahead. Even with a virus floating around, we still believe that our future flies in clean skies. At AeroDelft, we're always looking for motivated students who want to apply their knowledge in a real-world project to create a sustainable impact. Now is your chance. We have several engineering positions available as well as operational positions. We're currently looking for propulsion, certification, structural, and electronics and control engineers. In the operations department, we're looking for an HR manager, a graphics manager, an exposure manager, and events managers. Scan the QR code if you're interested. If you're interested in joining our team in the next academic year, make sure to keep an eye on our socials and scan the QR code. The virtual interest drinks will take place on the 11th of February and at the beginning of March. If you have any questions, email us at recruitment@aerodelft.nl. Thank you for joining us. Our future flies in clean skies.